Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we are making a vending machine out of an Amazon box. If you don't have this thing, you're allowed to watch something else. And if you want to be in the tutorial or do things, or do it in the tutorial, I'm saying if you want to do it while following a step-by-step instruction, you'll do it. If you're not allowed these tools, or simply you don't have them, yeah. So if you want to do it with your chisel, you're free. And if you wanted to do it with a kitchen knife from your kitchen or something, I allow you to. And you can literally have anything that's a knife. Get not your homemade knives that you made out of plastic. No, that'll be useful. You first. Anyway, oh. B, don't worry. What you first do is you cut a hole kind of like this that you can cut through everything that blocks your way. Okay, guys? Simply just, yeah, kind of like that. Nah. Kind of looks ugly. No, we do it like, how about we do, let's do it like that. Like that, guys. After that, we will do that. And then after that, you'll put your fingers inside of it and simply push all that out. Maybe grab a partner. And something. You could use a leftover cardboard for like anything you want. I don't care. So that's your first look. So if you see that, that's a garden I made. Blueberry, I think this is blackberry, then cucumber, then some dill, some carrots, and some basil. So we're still working on the garden, and in that little hole, there are peppers. Anyway, guys, after talking about the farm, please leave a like and subscribe if you like these tutorial videos. Comment down below if you like them, my gaming videos, or my tutorial videos, or even my playing videos. Leave a like and subscribe for more. You might think we're done. No, we're not done. Grab your chisel and knife again. And then make a small little cut inside of your box. Like, one sec. Like this. And you like to use a 20mm one because that will be most useful for this thing. For this. And then also, when you cut it open, just jiggle it around. And then take it out. I am not that of whatever it's called, expert. I'm a good cooking and building expert. But I'm not a good of a tech expert. So, if you're not good of a tech expert, just draw the little computer thing and the buttons. But with the buttons, we will do something different. So what we'll be doing different is this. Oops. Okay, guys. How I did these buttons is using this. Grass. You don't cut it all the way, but kinda. This for yeah, and then look at that. Now, guys, I'll get a marker. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back with the marker, and now with the marker you'll be doing this. 1, 2, 3. Coin. And do all your things. You can even do this. If you want to, clearly, and guys, yes. Like and subscribe, please, for more amazing content. Oh, by the way, if you like our content, comment down below and friend me in Roblox. My name is down below in the description, okay, guys? So, after that, I fell. Ugh. Whew. After that, grab your chisel again, wherever mine is. Or if you don't have it, just use that. Now, I know where my chisel is. I'm sorry. Bro, where's my chisel? Took my chisel! Maybe, one sec. I'll just use this. It's kind of sad. Pretty much cut all of this part off, like this, turning into this. And that is how it's made.